Hey guys, this is TehJew22 again. Our first matchup is going to be between Luigi and the Bulldozer. Luigi, of course, is one half of the Mario Brothers. He and his brother revolutionized the video game industry, at around the time when it was about to come to an end. And but his participation in the Super Mario Brothers video game, along with his brother, gave him instant credibility and, or not credibility, but rather celebrity. How do I put this? Because of him and his brother, the video game industry is still alive and well. And to his credit, in this game, he is a former United States heavyweight champion and two-time unified tag team champion along with his brother. And he's going to be taking on the Bulldozer, near 400 pounds of force, inspired by an indie wrestler of the same name, same design with, wearing yellow and black with a mask to conceal his identity. So I don't know the guy's real name. And besides, it doesn't really matter. So without any further ado, let's get it on. And here comes Luigi. And here comes the Bulldozer. Okay, well, alright, well, we're underway right now, and oh my god. A pile driver right to the Bulldozer, and a headbutt. Wow. So right now, Luigi's off to a great start, and, well, I kind of spoke too soon, and wow, and a clothesline and a elbow to follow it up. Alright. And a reversal by Luigi, and oh, and what a shot by Luigi. Oh, but the Bulldozer not staying down for very long. What's he going to do here? Oh, and a shot to the back and a shot to the neck. Picks him up. Reversed by Luigi. Wow, and he's doing the same move again. What the heck is he doing? But he's stopping a mud hole in Luigi. Wow, what an elbow right to the back. And another elbow, but he missed. And a spine buster right to the Bulldozer. And the man is 400 pounds. And wow. And a stomp right to the nuts. Oh, and a poke in the eye right to Luigi from the Bulldozer. Irish whip. Sends him over the ropes. Luigi counters. And he's going to pick him up. No, wait. Oh, and an arm drag right to the canvas by the Bulldozer. Another elbow. Ooh, and a counter. Nice. Oh, and a neck breaker by Luigi. Well, Luigi has to be, he's got to be careful right now, and wow, that kind of, folks, anything can happen in the WWE, just like what you just saw right there. And a chop. Right. And a chop to Luigi. Uh-oh, he's got him in a bear hug. He's got Luigi in a bear hug. Is Luigi going to tap out? Nope. Ooh, nice move sending him over the top rope. And a drop kick that sends him outside the ring. Well, Bulldozer is going to have to... And he sends him to the ropes. And a hip toss, right, and a hip toss to Luigi. Luigi counters, sends him down to the canvas. And another poke in the eyes. I mean, seriously, what do you have to do that for? Oh, and he missed. And he sends him over the top rope again. What is he going to do now? And another drop kick sending him down to the floor. Well, Bulldozer has the count of 10 to get back in, and he does. I'll tell you one thing, Luigi is on fire tonight well, spoke too soon. Spoke too soon and oh, right in the nuts. Right in the nuts. And a hip toss. Alright then. And another chop. Oh, and a forearm right in the back. Irish whip. Oh, reversed into a bulldog. Oop, tried to go for a clothesline. Oh, and a forearm right in the back again. Well, it seems to me that the Bulldozer has this match in control. Let's see what he's going to do right now. And a full Nelson slam right to the canvas. But Luigi's not going to give up just like that. Uh-oh, is he going to go for it? The pile driver! Pile driver right to Luigi. And yeah, he's going to set him up right in the middle of the ring. Is he going to pin him? 1, 2... Okay, folks, I am sorry about that. 3. Wow, that was random. But anyway, the Bulldozer is your winner. And he proved once again why he was 2-time Intercontinental Champion and a former Tag Champion as well. I mean, these fans may not like him, but they better respect him because this man is 400 pounds and, wow, he's telling the referee to get the heck out of the ring. But folks, there he is right there. There's the winner, the Bulldozer. So stay tuned for another match. All right, bye, folks.